Hello everyone, this is CS Harshadhan Gaikwad from HGPA. I hope everyone's doing great. Well, a big announcement coming from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, is to all the 10th standard students out there. Now, a 10th standard cleared student, if who want to become Chartered Accountant, can now enroll provisionally to ICAI. And he or she can sit for May CA Foundation examinations after appearing for 12th standard exams. So if I want to put it this way, if you're pursuing 12th standard right now and if you want to sit for that May 21 examinations, you have to enroll provisionally to ICAI on or before 1st of Jan 2021. So please keep this date very important. As per the notification dated 13th of October 2020, ICAI also mentioned that it needs 4 months of study before a student is appearing for CA Foundation examinations. So if you want to sit for May examinations, the date is 1st of Jan, and if you want to sit for November examinations, the date is 1st of July. So please keep these dates before registering yourself for CA Foundation. Point number 2 is that Team HGPA is coming out with a fresh batch for May 21 examinations. Now this May 21 examination batch for CA Foundation is tailor-made for all the 12 standard students. Yes, that's right. Keeping in mind their college schedules. So if you want to sit for May 21 examinations, you can enroll for this May 21 batch. Team HGPA has all the qualified and experienced faculties. You can get all the information in the coming slides ahead. If you want to enroll for this batch, you can WhatsApp your name on the number given over here, or you can call on the number given over here. Please pass this message to all your friends who want to sit for May 21 CA Foundation examinations. And thank you so much for watching this. If you haven't subscribed for this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you can get more notification regarding the same. Thank you.